Imagine a bird that can travel across the globe without its feet ever touching the ground for months at a time. The swift is a remarkable creature that spends almost its entire life flying in midair. These birds are so highly adapted to the sky that they literally eat, drink, bathe, and even sleep while soaring through the air at speeds of up to 69 miles per hour. They migrate over 14,000 miles every single year between Europe and Africa, and new conservation laws are now being passed just to build special swift bricks into modern houses. So these non-stop flyers finally have a safe place to land and nest. Don't forget to subscribe for these cool videos.